Yeah.
Alright lads, so we've got a new pressure washer, so I thought I'd do a little review on it. So it's a Karcher K2 full control, and it comes with an accessory kit, so you can get this same one without the accessory kit, but for the difference in price I thought I'd get this one. So this one was, where's the price, £99, K2 full control home pressure washer, but I got 20% discount, so it was a total of £79.99. So let's have a look. So I've cut the tape, but I haven't actually looked in it yet. So what do we get? Patio and deck cleaner. Gotta have a clean deck. Always keep your deck clean. Wheels. Tell you what, I'll get it out and I'll set it up and I'll come back. And there she is. Nice little thing. So it took like 3 minutes or so to put it together. Wheels, pop the wheels on, slide this handle on from the front. You've got this handle at the back that just clips in, but it is extendable. Better for storage, I suppose. Then you've got to screw this on, hose pipe attachment, and that is that pretty much set up. And then this bit just sort of twists into there, and that's for cleaning your patios and your decks with your deck cleaner. Then you've got, I think it's a 3 meter it said, maybe a 4, can't remember. That goes into there, and then the other end goes into there, one end in there, one end in there, and that's your gun. Fairly decent quality. So then you've got this nozzle, which is setting 3, so it's the hard setting. But you've also got this one, which is adjustable, so you can have it on setting 3 for your brickwork, setting 2 for your car, or setting 1 for your picket fence or a mixture. You also then get this bit, which is like an extender, so that will go onto there. It just twists on, kind of do it with one hand like, but, and then you put your gun on the top. But you can also use that with these, so if you want a really long one, if you want a nice big shaft, I'll show you. So there's my nice big shaft, the size of that. I mean, I don't know why you'd need it that long on the gun, like, I think it's more for that. But you know, if you need to get up a height. Actually perfect height when you're using the patio cleaner. So it's like I'm not having to bend my arm at all, it's just a nice height to, you know, zap away at them grimy, grubby patios. Trying to force this in here, just trying to shove it in, but you've got to, you know, read the instructions, lads. I know you think you know everything. There you go, safe as houses. But that's it. So I've got me gun connected up, so it is a 4 meter hose. It's dead flexible as well. The last one I had was dead stiff, so it was a pain in the arse, to be honest. But yeah, so let's have a quick look at the box, right? Well, not that side. Right, so accessories in the box: 4 meter hose, there, water filter pre-installed, gun with quick connect, dirt blast plus 80% power. Whoa, it's all about the power gains, isn't it? Click Vario power lance full control, and the home kit, which is one I got, you get the surface cleaner, the extension, why is my finger not going where I'm telling it, and the patio and deck detergent. There's your settings that I was talking about. So your features, you've got, starting top left, you've got a Click Vario power lance, accessory storage, telescopic handle, height adjustment, detergent, suction, where's that? I'm saying that like. Quick connect, easy hose connections, and water filter. Aye, let's have a look and see if we can find this detergent suction. So you just pull that out. It's got a little filter on the bottom. Pull it out. Get your detergent. Bosh. Stick that straight in there. Slurpy, slurpy. I like that. Nice little feature, and it weighs now. Dead light. So, yeah, power lead, long power lead and all. The size of that, look at that beast. So that's it. So it's absolutely chucking it down at the minute. But as soon as it's stopped, I'll take it out and I'll give it a blast. Or I might do it tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, so that's what you get in your box for your 100 quid. Or your 80 quid if you've got a 20% discount. Good value for money so far, I reckon. Okay, so it is the next day. As expected, it did not stop raining last night. So this is what it looks like when it's all kind of packed away. So your gun fits on the side, all your accessories go on. Got space for the power cable and the line. So I'm going to go outside and give it a try on the patio. Now this thing here, I'm not really expecting much from it. I don't think it's going to be that good, if I'm honest. So that's what it looks like underneath. You've got these two jets that spin. But yeah, I'm not really expecting much from it. So I'll try this out and I'll try the two different nozzles. We'll see what it's like. Hopefully it was a worthwhile purchase. So this is what we're dealing with today. As you can see, it's pretty grubby. So we'll try the proper patio cleaner one first, see how we'll get on with that. That's not actually half bad, is it? Pretty happy with that. So I've done all of this in about 8 minutes, and all the different shading, it's not still dirty, it's just where the water's collected. All I would say is that you can't get right to the edges. See, there's like gaps around the edges, so I've left this bit here. I'm going to try the other nozzles out now. So this is the non-adjustable one, the one that's just on 3. That's powerful. As you can imagine though, this would take a hell of a lot longer, and I think it's not getting any cleaner. So that patio thing's absolutely mint. Try the other one. So the mix one is kind of just like a hose pipe. Setting 1, soft. Shade. Number 2, medium. This is the one that's meant to be for your car. shite. Number 3, this is the one we're looking for. This is your brickwork. That's the one we're looking for. So I can go around the edges with this one. Happy days. So this is what it looks like when it's dried. Well, almost dried. And if you look where I stopped, I'm pretty happy with that. So to wrap up then, would I recommend the Karcher K2 kit with the accessory bundle? Yes, absolutely, it was spot on. So I've used it on the patio, which you've seen, and I've also used it on the car. I didn't wash the car properly, I just needed to blast some brake dust off the wheels. Highly recommended. I'll leave a link down below. So I got it from Screwfix for, it was 99 quid, well 99.99, but I got 20% off, so that was 80. I think it's a little bit cheaper on Amazon. I think it's about 95 on Amazon. So I'll leave a couple of links anyway. And like I say, you can buy it without the kit for the patio stuff and that. I didn't use the patio cleaner mixture because I read a little bit last night and people are saying it made absolutely no difference at all. So I didn't bother. And to be fair, it did a good enough job without it. So yeah, that's the end of the video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. If you learned anything, if you've got any questions, drop them down below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.